How to take a short position in paper trading on TradingView. In this video, I am going to show you how to take a short position in TradingView paper trading. If you think the market is going to move lower, short selling allows you to potentially profit from a falling price, all while practicing with virtual money and no real financial risk. Before we begin, make sure your paper trading account is connected. Open TradingView, sign in to your account, open any chart, and connect your paper trading account from the trading panel. Now choose the asset you want to trade. Analyze the chart and look for a bearish setup such as a downtrend, a rejection at resistance, or a breakdown below a support level. To open a short position, click the Sell button. In TradingView paper trading, if you don't already have a long position, clicking Sell opens a new short position. There is no separate short button. Simply selling an asset you don't currently own creates the short trade. Next, choose your order type. A market order enters the trade immediately at the current market price. A limit order waits until the market reaches your selected price before executing. A stop order can be used to enter the trade only after the price reaches a specific trigger level. Now enter the quantity you want to trade. If you're using leverage, review the margin requirements shown in the order panel before confirming the trade. TradingView displays your estimated margin, leverage, and trade value so you know how much virtual capital is being used. Before placing the order, set a stop loss above your entry price to limit potential losses if the market moves higher. Then set a take profit below your entry price so your trade can automatically close when your target is reached. Review your order details carefully and click Sell to open the short position. After the trade is active, monitor it in the Positions tab of the trading panel. For a short position, you'll make a virtual profit if the market price falls below your entry price. If the market rises above your entry price, your position will show a virtual loss until you close it. When you're ready to exit the trade, simply click Close Position in the trading panel. TradingView will buy back the position and calculate your final profit or loss automatically. Here's a pro tip: never open a short trade just because the price is falling. Wait for confirmation from your trading strategy, use proper risk management, and always place a stop loss before entering the trade. Consistency is far more important than trying to catch every market move. And that's how you can take a short position in TradingView paper trading. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more TradingView tutorials, and let me know in the comments what topic you'd like to learn next.